What is DAO? What is DeFi? How about CEX, DX, DYOR, or FUD, FUD? Oh my. If you have been wondering what these crypto terms really mean, then stay tuned for today's video. Welcome back to SilverAltcoin, where we discuss trending news and quick tips and facts in the crypto space. I hope your day is going well. We continue in our series, Cryptocurrency Terms to Know Before You Invest. And today, we start off with crypto terms and phrases beginning with the letter D. You can find the first video in this series in the description below and on somewhere on your screen right now. So what is DAO? It is an acronym that stands for a Decentralized Autonomous Organization. A DAO is a decentralized organization with a group of people who work together toward a shared goal and abide by rules written into the project's self-executing computer code or smart contracts. What is decentralization? It is the elimination of dependence from a centralized authority. What is decentralized apps or DApps? A DApp or decentralized app is an app that isn't controlled by a central authority. Twitter, Pinterest, PayPal are examples of centralized apps with users relying on intermediaries to send and receive messages and money. A DApp is distributed on a blockchain, allowing users to send and receive data directly without an intermediary. Decentralized finance, also known as DeFi. What is DeFi? DeFi refers to financial services conducted without the involvement of an intermediary, like a bank, a government, or other centralized financial institutions. The DeFi services are conducted via blockchain network. Distributed ledger. In conventional finance, a company like a bank maintains a ledger of all the transactions involving its clients. A distributed ledger uses nodes or independent computers to record, share, synchronize transactions on the electronic ledger. A blockchain is a type of distributed ledger. Exchange. What is an exchange? It's a website or a platform that allows users to buy and sell crypto assets. Centralized exchanges are operated by a central authority, while decentralized exchanges, DEX, do not have a central authority. DYOR. So when you hear the acronym DYOR, it means do your own research. You'll come across this term frequently in the crypto world. Do your own research. In crypto and honestly in anything, don't just take someone's word for something. This should be true of every decision in your life, but especially those involving spending money. Always do your own research for your own understanding. Ether or ETH. Ether. The native cryptocurrency token of the Ethereum platform is known as Ether or ETH. Ethereum is a decentralized software platform that allows developers to develop or to build decentralized applications and utilize smart contracts. Ethereum was developed by Vitalik Buterin. I hope I got that right. Fiat, a term for any government-issued currency. So when you hear fiat, it's referred to as, the issued currency we're used to, such as the US dollar, Canadian dollar, or the euro, and so many other currencies. FOMO, FOMO, is short for fear of missing out. It's a popular acronym used to describe anxiety over missing out on a potential opportunity. Fork, the process by which the community that runs an individual cryptocurrency makes a change to the blockchain's governing protocols. This change in protocol of a blockchain induces the creation of another chain, that is a fork, which often results in two new paths. There are two kinds of forks. One is a soft fork, where two chains remain compatible to some extent, and then the other one is hard fork, which is a permanent separation from the original chain, creating two individually operating blockchain networks. This is exactly what happened to Bitcoin in 2017 that created Bitcoin Cash. FUD, F-U-D, and sometimes called FUD, is short for fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Fear, uncertainty, doubt. So this term has been around for a while, and in crypto, FUD refers to a label for spreading negative news or information. So a FUD star, F-U-D star, refers to someone spreading negativity in order to cause the price of something to drop. Gas. When you hear the term gas, what does it mean? The Ethereum network charges a fee for each transaction. Users must pay a certain amount in Ether, the native currency of Ethereum, for each transaction. So gas is the name given to this charge. Ethereum validators are rewarded with gas in exchange for the energy they expend clearing transactions. So additionally, gas acts as a barrier to malicious blockchain usage. So that's gas. Halving. When you hear halving, it's a 50% reduction of mining block rewards for a particular cryptocurrency. For example, for Bitcoin, these are programmed to occur every 4 years. To elaborate, a feature written into Bitcoin's code in which after a certain number of blocks are mined, and this is typically every 4 years, the amount of new Bitcoin entering circulation gets halved. The halving can have an impact on Bitcoin's price. Hardware wallet. What is a hardware wallet? It's a physical wallet that can be used as cold storage, that is, used to store digital assets offline. HODL, H-O-D-L, H-O-D-L. It means hold on for dear life. It's an acronym for hold on for dear life. This is a common crypto slang that started out as a misspelling of the word hold, and quickly became very famous and sweet to the ears. It is used to promote or describe the idea of never selling your cryptocurrency when prices are highly volatile. People who hold on for dear life are called hodlers. Hot wallet. A hot wallet is a wallet that is connected to the internet. Hot wallets are a bit more susceptible to hacking and cybersecurity attacks than offline wallets. Initial coin offering, ICO. ICO is a crowdfunding strategy used to assist startup cryptocurrency projects to acquire capital in exchange for tokens. ICOs are similar to initial public offerings, IPOs, of stocks. And that's it for this video. We will probably finish up this series in our next video. If you enjoyed this, please like this video and subscribe to get notified for when we put out videos like this. And until next time, keep learning and have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.